Before time had meaning, before matter had form, the universe awakened from silence, expanding into existence with an unstoppable primordial force. Even what we call empty space is alive, vibrating with a restless energy where particles emerge, vanish.
When stars die, they scatter heavy elements across space, seeding future worlds with the ingredients for life. Under extreme gravity, matter compresses beyond imagination, revealing physics at its absolute limits.
At this boundary, time slows dramatically, challenging our understanding of causality.
Colliding massive objects send ripples through space-time, confirming predictions once thought impossible to detect.
From the smallest scales to the largest, nature repeats patterns governed.
At the quantum level, separation does not imply independence, revealing deep connections within reality. Some theories suggest our universe may be one of many, each governed by different physical constants. In its earliest moments, the universe expanded faster than light, imprinting structure than we observe today.
The same physical laws govern alien worlds, shaping climates far beyond human experience.
Gravity alters time itself, slowing its passage near massive objects.
Technology extends human curiosity beyond our birthplace, carrying knowledge into interstellar space. Perspective reveals our planet as a rare oasis within a vast cosmic wilderness.
Stars persist while civilizations change, reminding us of cosmic timescales. Random cosmic events can redirect evolution and alter planetary destinies. Life on Earth follows the same physical principles that govern stars and galaxies. On the largest scales, the universe resembles a connected system of astonishing complexity. An unknown force accelerates expansion, pushing galaxies beyond observable reach. Beyond this boundary, information can never reach us, limiting what we can know. Yet awareness itself allows the universe to be observed and understood. Mathematics remains our most powerful tool for describing reality.
Consciousness transforms cosmic events into meaning.
The brain is matter organized to reflect upon the universe.
Biological rhythms echo cosmic cycles.
We search for other intelligences, listening across vast distances.
So far, the universe has not answered.
Future civilizations may command energies once reserved for stars.
Such structures remain theoretical, but physics allows their possibility.
Energy gradually disperses, driving the universe toward equilibrium.
In the far future, motion and light may cease.
Yet physics allows the possibility of renewal.
Some models suggest the universe endlessly renews itself.
All matter and energy may converge again. From collapse, creation may begin anew. For now, this planet remains our only home.
The universe is vast, ancient, and largely unknown, and our journey to understand it has only begun.